Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in or sign in on Disney Plus. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. First thing first, you have to access a Disney Plus either on your website or simply go ahead, open up the install the app. Then right away you will find this option of already a subscriber, a sign in section. Go ahead, tap on sign in. And once you have done that, you will be able to add in your ID and the password. ID can include providing your ID email or the username instead. Go ahead, add in the information. Most probably it will ask you for your email. Once you added the email, now simply add the designated password and then tap on sign in or log in as per the instruction. Then you will be able to get logged in on your Disney Plus or the web page itself. Unfortunately, since the Disney Plus is not available in my region, I'm seeing this kind of interface likewise. But you simply have to add in your credentials for you to get signed in, and that is how simply it works. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.